Hey, Alton Brown here on the set of Good Eats: The Return. It's based on the original Good Eats set, but with some very specific differences. And I know that some of you might be interested in seeing some of the nooks and crannies. You'll notice that in this season, the city has encroached. It used to be that we had like forest and woods and a big green yard. Well, the story here is that the city has encroached upon me. I'm kind of like the old man and up. And so now there's a city right here. So there's actually an alley where there used to be green. A lot of the same old tools. You guys will recognize this guy. Still working since 1999. A few of you have been asking me about holes in things and how many holes in things there are on the set. Well, there are a lot more than there used to be. For instance, here, of course, is the oven cam. And oven cam, oh, seeing it from the other way, somebody's decided to that's where the pet monkey ended up. I didn't do that. I would never put a monkey, in the oven. So that's how we shoot through the oven. And then here's how we shoot through the cabinet. Cabinet cam, cabinet's there. That's... Ignore him. It's perfectly fine. Spices and all that kind of stuff. Then, of course, there's a hole in the microwave. The microwave's got a hole in the back of it so that we can use it. And I don't know if it's turned on right now. Nope, it's not. It's not on. We turn a lot of things off. Then, of course, there's the refrigerator cam. But yet there are more holes. But a few things that don't have holes that I want to show off. I'm very proud of the bar. This is new this season. We don't use it a whole lot, but I do. And look, it says Good Eats on it. This is, always wanted a roll top desk. Get it? It's a roll top desk. And I've always been a fan of Andy Warhol soup cans, but of course that would be copyright infringement. So we invented Sea Dog brand whitefish chowder with my dog Scabigail as the chef because her favorite food is whitefish salad. But behind here is one of my favorite spots. This is my desk, so I get to have some of my favorite things, old electronics kits from my childhood in the 60s, and my favorite electronic typewriter, that's here. Here's the other pantry, and now we can see what is special about this, because the other one's kind of not working right now, but they have Scooby-Doo doors, so that you can come out, and I can sneak around and go to other parts of the set, all on the same shot. Both of them do this. Always wanted a Scooby-Doo door. And I would have gotten away with it too if you weren't for you meddling kids. Here is the beginning of my my wall of food heroes. I'm not going to tell you who all of these people are. I want you to have to guess. So I'm going to give you a real clear shot here on my phone. Who's that? Okay. I want you guys to guess and go on the interwebs and tell me who these people are. Very important, folks. I know you're all just going to Google search. Yes, he's got a crown, and yes, he deserves it. Who's this? Very important. And also, kind of like, this is the British version of this person in the US. The fireplace, pretty groovy. Yes, the fire is actually television. And we're not trying to get away with that. We just say we have a fireplace that's a television. There, of course, all hail the chicken with the hat. But here's a cool thing. The whole fireplace, if I give it a good shove, opens up. So that we can actually stage scenes here. This door opens up and we can put things there. And then maybe my favorite thing on the whole set, which is this amazing diorama. My wife made this. I'm pretty excited about that, with dinosaurs fighting not only soldiers but rubber chickens and at least one space shuttle. So that's the Good Eats set in all of its glory, all three. Oh! How could I leave out Dawn Henley? Who has now taken up permanent residence above the door. It's a reference to the Raven. You probably got that, though, didn't you? All right, well, that's it. So I'm just going to leave this here and be on my way, and hope you guys tune in.